Here's Mo. What are you doing, Mo? He's our spoiled little cat. He comes in the house all the time for his ham treats. He even has his own little shelf. Mommy, we want to see you. We want to see you, Mo. You don't want to be seen? Huh? You don't want to be seen? And this black and white one is Francois. We call him Newt because he had a little accident and needed an emergency neuter done. He's about 13 years old. Hey, Fran. He just spent a little time at the vet and he now has his own special urinary food for blockages. This cat, I would say we've had him 3 years, but we've only even been able to touch him for about the last 6 months or so. Come here, Earl. It's okay, Earl. Come here. He usually only comes when we're on the deck. Isn't really a fan of being walked to. You know you want a pet. You know it. Still doesn't like being come at from the front, but if you can touch him, oh, there we go. He'll be your friend forever if you can touch him. He'll let you pet for half an hour. Hey, you. No idea where he came from. But I guess he's ours now. Now that he's realized that people are actually cool. They give you treats and tins of cat food. Where'd Boo Boo go? Oh, she's in my tomato garbage. Hey, Boo Boo. She's another spoiled one that gets to come in the house. A totally different cat inside and outside, aren't ya? Huh? Outside, she doesn't give a crap about people. Inside, she won't leave you alone. You can't even go to the bathroom without her rubbing up on your legs. And where's my Tundi? Hey, Tund. How you doing? How you doing, Tund? Here comes everybody else. Coming, Boops. Thunder had a stroke 2 days ago. Took her to the vet. All she would do is, if she could stand, she'd spin around in a circle, tilt her head to one side, and just kind of stare into space. That trip to town, I didn't know if I was going to be making some decisions when I got there or what, but the vets took her and said that they would probably end up having to keep her overnight because it's basically a booked up day. I got home 15 minutes later and got a call saying that she'd probably had a stroke. She had, I shouldn't even say it now, old dog encephalitis or something. Anyway, she couldn't walk. She was still eating though, so that was good. 2 days later, she's not herself. She probably never will be, but I mean, she's walking and whoop, who did I trip over? Fran? Even today is an improvement over yesterday. Yesterday when she walked, her legs would crisscross in the front, almost like she was walking on a tightrope. And today she seems to be keeping them fairly spread apart as she walks. I'm not going to make her walk unless she wants to walk. And her back legs are even kind of tracking behind her a little bit. Oh, she's crossing them over right now, but see, like she wouldn't have even been able to do that. What'd you have yesterday? So I mean, I know she's probably not going to be the dog she was a couple of days before that. But I mean, she's 18 years old. She's getting old. As long as she can get around, and we give her lots of treats and love. Hey, Tund? Maybe, I know a lot of dogs maybe wouldn't have had this kind of recovery, so we're pretty lucky. Aren't we, Tundy? Because you've been a good girl. Best dog ever. Doesn't jump, doesn't bark unless there's a coyote in the yard. Just a really good overall dog. Okay, Tundy, I'm gonna shut this off. I'm just blabbering. Look at you walk. What a good girl. Good girl, Tund. Good girl. You're doing so good. Yeah. So good. Okay. Bye-bye for now. Hope you enjoyed the corn. And my babbling wasn't too much at the end, but maybe I lost you before you got here.